How to delete account in Credit Karma. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to assist you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, open your preferred browser, then search for Credit Karma. Then tap on this website, scroll all the way down and find help. Then tap on Help Center. Then on this section, tap it down and tap on Manage Your Account. Then search for Delete Account or Cancel. Then tap on How do I cancel my membership. Then you have these following options. How do I close my Credit Karma Money Save account and Money Spend account? So you have to choose either of those if you feel this is the one you need. But if you want to cancel your Credit Karma membership, then simply tap on Cancel my Credit Karma membership. Then in order to do it, you have to tap on your email and password and log in, and done. You will be cancelled from the Credit Karma account. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.